attack is psychological and powerful.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope you all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. You know how it is. It's gonna be like a super duper rainy day outside. It's thunderstorms. It's like a big ass storm outside. I don't even know what the hell is happening over here. The sky is falling, but you know how it is. Chilling like a villain, guys. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm having a good day. Good trading day, kind of having a little bit of upswings and downswings. Market kind of moving a little bit sideways. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, you're in the right place. We're going to figure out what the hell are we going to do with this market. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go sideways? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on Twitch. I'm on YouTube. I'm on TikTok. I'm all over the place. I'm all over the place. No excuses not to get my price ranges, not to get my classes, guys. So big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing, just like always. Thank you for stopping by. I'm going to have a good day today. We're going to have a great stream for you. We've got a damn good, important stream today because I'm going to be talking about A topic that nobody really much touches whenever they're trading. We're going to talk about risk management. Okay, we're going to talk about stop losses. We're going to talk about how do you go in on a trade? How do you put a stop loss just in case it doesn't go your way? Because it's a given fact that when you do trading, sometimes it just doesn't play out the way that you want it to play out, you know? It's a nature of the beast, you know. It is what it is, and you need to learn how to take advantage of it, guys. Because sometimes it doesn't go your way, and if it doesn't go your way, then you know what to do. You put a stop loss. So I'm going to show you on today's class how do you set up a perfect stop loss every single time that you go in on a trade. So if that is something that interests you, stick around, smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Okay, and let's have a good one, guys. Let's see who we got here today. My man, Brutal Crypto over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Brutal Crypto? We're having a good day. You know how it is, chilling like a villain, taking it easy. We got some highs, we got some lows. We're gonna go in and we're gonna find out what are we gonna do. We're gonna buy some more on the way down. You know how it is. We gotta buy some more. I want to buy some more. Do you want to buy some more? I don't know what you're gonna do, my man, but I want to buy some more. Let's do this and make some money. You know how it is. Smash everything. You know how it is, my man. Smash that like button. Guys, over on the TikTok, are you guys having a good stream over there? Let me know. I'm streaming using their software. So let me know if it actually looks better, because I know that it looks a bajillion times better than it was before. So over on the TikTok, big shout out to you guys over there. How you all having a fantastic day? Let me know. Let's set up the charts, guys. Let's set it up. Let's make it happen, Captain. Let's find out what are we going to do. Let's look at my entry prices on XRP. Market moving whatever. The market's doing whatever the fuck it wants to do. It doesn't really care about whatever the hell we want to do. So let's set it up and make it happen, Captain. Ooh, the RSI is at the bottom. That's wonderful to see. We might have a little bit of a market reversal to the upside. Are we going to get that market reversal to the upside? I don't know. I don't really see any signals whatsoever that we're going to have a little bit of an upswing coming real soon. I really don't see it. We did get the whole lawsuit with the grayscale with SEC, like we talked about on last week's stream. So we got to win on that one, but markets don't give a fuck about the news. It is what it is. It's the nature of the beast, guys. I don't see a little, maybe, I mean, I don't know. Maybe we'll have a little bit of an upswing happening. Market reversal. But we're going to figure it out, guys. We're going to go in it today. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. We're going to go in it today. Big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing. Big shout out to Big D over on the TikTok. You guys are awesome. How you doing, Big D? It's all good. You know how it is. Chilling like a villain. Boom, boom. And make sure that everything is playing out quite nicely over on all the streams. Let me make sure that everything is super duper good. Yep, we're good. We're good. Everything is looking. Let me know on the chat box, guys. Also, guys, if you have any coins that you want to look at, anything in specific, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll do whatever technical analysis you want me to do. You got me for an hour of power. Go ahead and take advantage of it. Ask away whatever questions you guys have. I'm here for you. You got me for a little hour of power. Let's go. Brutal Crypto over on the Twitch channel asking about some DOT. Of course we can talk about some DOT action, my man. Of course we can. Let me take on my handy dandy post-it notes so that I can write down. Let's go. DOT. Yeah, we can talk about some DOT. Let's fucking go. DOT, let me write that down. Of course we can. We always start with a little bit of Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin too. Ethereum, some Litecoin, some XRP, some Cardano. No love for Cardano. XLM, let me see. Boom. Oof. Let's see what the hell XLM is going to be doing. Bitcoin. RSI is pointing to the downside, so I don't know. My target prices might meet my 25K target, my 22K Bitcoin price. I thought that we were not going to get there, but I may be wrong. You know, I may be wrong. We're going to figure it out, guys. How you doing at 24? Big shout out to you over on the TikTok. What you think about DAG? We can talk about some DAG action. DAG. Of course we can talk about some DAG action, my man. We're going to go in it today, bro. Let's make it happen, Captain. Big shout out for everybody here over on the TikTok. You guys are awesome. Thank you for stopping by. You guys are amazing. Big shout out. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Also, guys, if you could do me a solid and go ahead and share the wealth, share the information, share the link with everybody you know on your social media, I would highly appreciate that one too, guys. Smash that share button and share it on all your social media. Trying to grow this channel as much as we can to get to that 10,000 subscriber mark on all of my streaming platforms. And I cannot do that without you guys' help. So if you can do me a solid and go ahead and share the wealth, share the link, share the information with everybody you know, highly appreciated. 100,000 go over, guys. And make sure that you smash that like button. The reason why I say smash the like button is because of the algorithm. The algorithm likes when you people share the information and hit the like button, you know? And then I'm trying to expose it to as many people as we can. And I can't do that without you guys' help. So smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. Big shout out to you. Big shout out to 24. Thank you for that share, my man. Thank you, high five, for that like. Big shout out to you. Let me get some water and we're going to go in it today. We're going to give it a few more minutes. Let me see. We got, let's give it 3 more minutes and we'll start the class. 3 more minutes. You know how it is. So strap in. Let's go in it today, guys. Strap in and let's find out what the hell the market is going to do. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? I don't know. So, kind of looking like a little bit downwards action, but I could be completely wrong. Do we got some T candles? Yeah, we got some T candles on the daily. So no trade zone. It's a no trade zone. We're not gonna trade that. We're not gonna trade that at all. Or who knows? Maybe we'll trade it. I don't know. I just don't know. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. Big shout out to you. Thank you for stopping by. You guys are amazing, just like always. Make sure that you follow me on all my streaming platforms, guys. Also, just in case it doesn't work well with TikTok, I do stream on YouTube. So if you want a way better quality type of stream, I stream 4K over on the YouTube channel and over on the Twitch channel also, and Facebook, just in case for all my old people here that like Facebook. So big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing. And make sure that Tickfinity is working. My music is brought to you by Art of Techno. You can go ahead and check them out over there on the YouTubes. Let me lower the music a little bit. There we go. Is the music too loud, guys? Let me know if the music is too loud. So how y'all doing, guys? What you up to? What y'all doing? Big hi and hello for everybody over on the YouTube channel. You guys are awesome. Big shout out to YouTube. Buddha Crypto, you the man over on the Twitch channel, like always. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute, and we'll start the class. We're gonna look at the markets, guys. We're gonna look at some Bitcoin action. Let's find out what the hell is Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin doesn't give a fuck about anything or anybody. We got to take advantage of that, guys. We got to go some moves. We got to make some moves. Let me see what XRP is doing. Let me see what XRP is doing. XRP ain't doing shit. XRP ain't doing shit. God damn it. More price action to the downside on some XRP. Let me see. Find out. Let me see. Yeah, kind of looks like a little bit more downward action. We do have a cross of the blue to the upside. But I don't have the cross, and I don't have the signal. I don't know. It's a little iffy, guys. It's flirting with me. XRP, it's like the girl next door. You want to hit it, but you just don't know, you know? You just don't know. You don't know what she wants. MJ23 over on the TikTok channel saying DAG is good. What is DAG? I think we bought DAG like 2 years ago. Right before the bull cycle, and we rode that sucker all the way to the upside on the last bull cycle. And I was using trading bots back then. That was 2 years ago. That was an entirely different crypto sensei. I don't even remember what DAG does. So let me go to some coin market cap and let's find out what the hell DAG is. Wasn't DAG a metaverse coin? I don't remember. DAG Constellation. Is this the one that you guys want to talk about? Some DAG action. DAG is a protocol that uses direct acrylic graph architecture to achieve a consensus that is, in theory, capable of infinite scalability. With the DAG protocol, a custom state channel constellation is driving the evolution of smart contracts by allowing data sources to be integrated into distributed ledger technology. Holy shit, I don't even know what none of those words mean. I don't understand half of the things they just said. We do have a market cap of about Oh man, market cap of about $300,000. You're telling me that if I wanted to trade this sucker, all I need was $300,000 and I can move the price to my advantage however the hell I want it? Is that what DAG is? 400K in volume in the last 24 hours? You know what? I'm curious. Let me check out some DAG action. Ooh. Ooh. I remember DAG. Yeah, I remember when we bought this a long time ago. And we rode this sucker all the way to the upside. And I believe we caught it here. Did we caught it? I don't remember, guys. If you guys were here with me 2 years ago, I think we bought it right here. And this fucker pumped like crazy. And we rode it all the way to the upside. Thanks to some trading bots that I was using back then. Oh, man. We do have... Oof. So, well, it's not a bottom coin just yet. But that's pretty much a target price that I would be looking at right here, right there, right now. We might get a little bit of support right over here on this support line over here. This resistance line turning into support at around 2 cents. Pretty much what's happening right now. I don't know. It's looking juicy to start stacking up accumulation zone on some DAG. I don't know what you guys want to do with that information, but it's looking kind of saucy. Might want to start stacking up. Might want to start stacking up on some DAG. DAG. I don't know what you guys want to do with that. But it's an accumulation zone. It's an accumulation zone for some DAG action. AZ Uber guy over on the chat. Big shout out to you, my man. Any thoughts on XDC? We can talk about some XDC. Big shout out to Uber guy over on the chat. Thank you for that rose, my man. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate it. We can talk about some XDC. Let me take on my handy dandy pen and notebook and let's go into it. XDC. We can write that down. Of course, we can talk about some XDC, my man. Stick around. We're going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about all kinds of X coins. You know, like we do every goddamn day. Bruno Crypto over on the Twitch channel saying, buddy, you're blocking the charts. My man, no, we're not in it today. We're not in it yet, bro. Guy, I know you're locked in. I get it. You want to go? Let's go. Give me a minute. God damn. Gotta settle down. Let people come in. God damn. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to my man. How high can XRP get, my man? Like I always say, the sky is not the limit when there are footprints in the moon. You understand? There is no limit of how high XRP can go. All I'm saying on XRP is that you better be stacking up and accumulating on some XRP. All kinds of X coins. You do what you got to do, brother. Bruno Crypto over on the Twitch channel saying locked and loaded. You know how it is. There's just no other way to be, bro. There's just no other way to be, bro. You got to be locked in. Your bag's full. Let's fucking go. Let's drink some water and we're going to go in it. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Markets doing whatever the fuck they want to do. But if you want to do your technical analysis and you want to do it on anything in crypto, you better start with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Okay, that is rule number one when doing your TA. You better start with Bitcoin because every single coin out there is tied to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is king. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do technical analysis, start with Bitcoin. Okay, it's going to repeat on every other coin out there. I'm looking on Bitcoin right now on the daily chart. I always start with Bitcoin on the daily chart. This is a daily routine for me, okay? I wake up in the morning and the first thing I do is I look at the charts and do I have a signal? No. Okay, then I go wash my mouth. If I have a signal, boom, I go in on a trade, okay? But I always start with the daily charts. Zooming in on the daily chart on some Bitcoin action, what is happening with the last three candles? You always zoom in and find out what the hell are the last three candles doing. The last 3 candles are red candles. Okay, so momentum is to where? The downside. The trend is your friend until the end. Okay, we don't know when the end is going to be. We do have some T candle formations though. What are these T candle formations that look like this? They're like T candles. Okay, that means that the market is undecided. Most likely there is going to be a reversal to the upside. But if the market doesn't know what it wants to do, shit, I don't know what it wants to do. Okay, so whenever I get T candles together, clumped up like that, one next to another, that for me is a no trade zone. Okay, I tend to not trade Bitcoin or any other coin out there if there are T candles stacked up together, one next to another. Okay, but high risk, high reward. T candles just mean volatility. Okay, so you can use this information. Go to the lower time frames. For example, the 10-minute chart. Okay, this is the 10-minute chart on Bitcoin, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit and see if we have any signals whatsoever playing out. Do keep in mind that there are T candles on the daily. That means that the market is undecided. If the market is undecided, then your trades are high risk. But you do whatever the hell you want to do with that, okay? There's no reason why you should not be in a trade on any crypto just because Bitcoin is in T candle formation, okay? That's just a golden rule for me, okay? That's just for me. But if you guys want to trade it, you don't really give a fuck about your money, but then you go ahead, go to the 10-minute chart and figure out if you got some entry prices going in. For example, look at this beauty right here. We have a bearish signal on in the 10-minute on Bitcoin, and what the hell happened? Market went down. That was a shorting opportunity. Let's see what else we got. We got a bull signal over here. Went up. That was a bullet. That was a long position right there. Look at this one. We got a bear signal over here. Prices went down. That's a short opportunity right there. We got these two signals right next to another that pretty much canceled each other out. So those wouldn't have not made you any money whatsoever. But see, there's opportunities to make money no matter the time frame, no matter what, as long as you know where momentum is going. If you're getting your signals on your indicators that we talked about last week. Okay, so there's ways to make money. Okay, there's ways to make money. There's always opportunities to go in and get out and walk away with a little hefty 2 or 3% a day. Okay, there's ways to do it. Okay, there's ways to do it. For now, let's stick to the daily chart and figure out momentum first, okay? Because we have to be able to identify momentum before we go in on any trades, okay? Momentum still to the downside. Okay, we still got that cross of the moving averages. We still got that cross of the RSI. We still got that cross of the MACD. So pretty much everything is still to the downside. I don't have a bullish signal in no way, shape, or form on the daily. I don't see any market reversals happening anytime soon. Always remember, we're not in a bull cycle just yet. Okay, we're not ready for a bull cycle. The bull cycle comes after the halving next year. I know that I sound like a broken record, but there's a lot of people out there saying that we're going to get to 100K Bitcoin for September. We're in September. There is no 100K Bitcoin. The markets work in cycles, and they are highly predictable if you know where to look. That's why you're here. You're learning how to look at a chart and know, oh, this is a bullish signal. I'm going to bet to the upside. Oh, this is a bearish signal. I'm going to bet to the downside. I just want you to be careful on your trades, okay? I just don't want you to be taken advantage of. I don't want you to hurt. I don't want you to lose a trade. I don't want you to be in the negative, you know? Don't listen to the moon boys. Listen to the math. Listen to the algorithms. Listen to what the hell the people are doing, okay? We got to identify the patterns, and we got to know what to do with the patterns, when to go in and when to go out. Okay, that's why you're here. Uber guy over on the TikTok channel saying, I drive for Uber. Cool, man. That's awesome. And I've been buying cryptocurrencies for the last 6 months. And my man, you're doing the right thing, bro. You're a genius, bro. You're a fucking genius, bro. Word of advice, make sure that you put all of your cryptocurrencies that you buy in a cold storage device, okay? Don't leave them on any platforms or any exchanges whatsoever. That's a public statement right there, bro. A PSA, public service announcement. Do not leave any crypto on any exchanges whatsoever. Put them on your cold storage device and forget the hell out of your crypto. Store it somewhere you can't even find it in the next 5 years, and let's see what the hell happens with the prices, okay? Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying thanks, bro. No, big shout out to you, Crypto Bucket. You know how it is. You know, Puppet, Crypto Puppet. You know how it is, bro. Taking it easy. Uber guy over on the TikTok saying I have Tangent cold storage wallet. That's fucking awesome, bro. You do you, boo boo. You do what you got to do, bro. The True Stings. Big shout out to you, True Stings, over on the TikTok channel. I smell hiking the she candles. You know how it is, man. Just come on, man. That's like a standard. It's a standard. We always use hiking the she. Why do we use hiking the she? Hiking the she gives us momentum. We are momentum traders, or at least here in the Crypto Dojo, we are momentum traders. There's many schools of thoughts out there, many other candle formations, and they have their way of trading. My trading style uses the hike in the she because the hike in the she shows you momentum. If I change the candles to, for example, the candles for this formation over here, doesn't quite give me momentum whatsoever. It just gives me a battle between the green army and the red army, which is another school of thought that you can use. Okay, green army versus the red army, but it doesn't quite give me any proper information. So the way that I do it, I use Heiken Ashi candles. Okay, and I don't like looking at the green and red. I change the colors just for making it more custom, making more myself, you know, just so I don't base decisions on what I'm looking at in color mode. So my emotions, I don't have any emotional triggers looking at green and red, okay? Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying what you think about hot wallets like Coinbase Wallet. Well, Coinbase Wallet is a hot wallet. It's stored on your phone, okay? You can use it as an app on your phone, which is wonderful. No reason why not to use it. Okay, no reason whatsoever. Coinbase is a very reputable exchange, but you know who else was a very reputable exchange? FTX. Okay, so no crypto platform out there is exempt to blocking your transactions. It's just not gonna happen. Okay, it's an unregulated market. They can do whatever the hell they want. Sure, they can get sued from left to right, but it's just not gonna make a difference. For me, I prefer to leave them outside of a platform where I have control of my private keys. Do you understand? But you do have control of your private keys with a hot wallet on your phone. Okay? With your Coinbase wallet. I don't know. It's just it's like a 5% risk. You understand? It's like a 5% risk versus a 0% risk. Completely up to you, you know? Completely up to you. I would say put it in a cold storage device if you can afford it. If you can't, keep them in your hot wallets device in your phone. Do keep in mind that you got to keep protected your 24 seed phrase. Never, ever, ever lose that 24 seed phrase, because if you can lose your phone can break. They can steal your phone. You understand? So many things can happen to your phone. So store your 24 seed phrase. Bury it somewhere nobody can find it, or whatever the hell you want to do with it. Put it in a bank deposit box or whatever the hell you want to do with it. I don't know. You know what you want to. But if you're talking to me cold versus hot, I'm always going to choose cold storage devices. Okay, especially the LEPAL devices. It's not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form, but it's just what I use. Okay. Uber guy over on the TikTok saying, what is that wallet you're holding? Brother, this is the LEPAL device. This is a cold storage device. Kind of looks like an iPhone, right? This is tamper-proof. It's unbreakable, 100%. I don't know if this bulletproof. I might try that one day. That would be one hell of a YouTube video. Maybe one day I'll shoot the shit out of this LEPAL device. But I did run over with it with my car, and I have a Ram truck. I ran over this just to test it out. Not a goddamn scratch on it. Okay, so it's indestructible, untamperable with. It doesn't have Bluetooth. It doesn't have Wi-Fi. It doesn't have any way to connect to it in any way, shape, or form. Okay, other than the QR codes that are produced within the software of the device. Okay, so for me, it's a great device to store your crypto. I'm just saying, that's my opinion. Okay. You can get it at elliepal.com. elliepal.com. You remember that? elliepal.com. You go to product ElliPal Titan. That's the one that I have. ElliPal Titan. It's $139. A little bit on the pricey side, but they do have a cheaper version, which is the mini version, for $79. Okay, if you can't afford it, they do the exact same thing. The other one is just a little bit bigger. Okay, this one's just a little bit bigger. The Titan Mini is like half the size. I don't have one on me right now. I gave the one that I had away, so I don't have it. I can't show you the mini one, but it's pretty much half the size. Okay, but it does the exact same thing. The exact same thing. So you can get it at elliepal.com. Link in my link tree if you guys want to help out the channel. Okay. So went on a little bit of a tangent over there. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying matter of choice. I see. Cool. Yeah. And always log out on a hot wallet. Yes, it's just so many things that can happen to your phone. You understand? You carry your phone on you 24 hours a day. You can lose your phone. And you just don't want to go through the headache. You can lose it. Somebody can steal it. You can break it. Yeah, it's just too much risk for my taste. Okay, I'm a little bit more risk adverse. So I leave my 24-seat phrase stored somewhere I can't even find it. And my cold storage devices are always at my office. Okay, I always keep it here. I don't walk away with it in any way, shape, or form. They stay here. And, I don't give access to my cold storage devices to anybody. But my phone goes with me wherever I go. You understand? I can lose it. I can break it. Somebody can steal it. So many things that can happen. So completely up to you guys. Completely up to you. All right, so back to some Bitcoin action. What I'm trying to say on some Bitcoin action is that I still don't see any market reversals happening anytime soon, okay? I do not see any market reversals happening anytime soon. I could be completely wrong. You all know that crypto is highly volatile and Bitcoin does whatever the hell it wants. I just don't see it happening anytime soon. We are going to have to probably end the year like we always do with a little bit of a downwards action. There's no money in the markets. Interest rates are so ridiculously high. Nobody's going to borrow money. So people can't borrow money. They can't pay their employees. Money goes down. We're in a recession. Same thing over here on crypto. There's just no money for people to buy some crypto. You understand? I don't see the money flow. I don't see the volume. I don't see it in the charts as of just yet. Maybe things will be different next year. Okay? Next year, we're going to get the halving. After the halving, we get the new president. After the new president, we get the bull cycle. Run that sucker all the way up to March 2025. Take our profits and we walk away. Okay? It's all a goddamn cycle. And it's a very predictable cycle too if you know how to read the charts. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying crypto winter till 2025. Yeah, that's pretty much it. November 2024 is the trigger. Actually, the trigger is the halving. Halving is, I think it's April 2024. So April next year, we're going to get that halving. Miners dump the price and they buy back in on the way down. It's happening the last 4 cycles the exact same way. It's going to happen the exact same way, most likely on the next cycle. So what do? We buy on the dips after the halving, and then we buy more on the way up. And just ride that sucker. After November, we get the new president. That's the trigger for the bull cycle. And boom, ride that sucker all the way up to 2025. My take profit, I believe it's going to be March 2025. Okay? I think it's going to be March 2025. Let's see. I could be completely full of shit, Completely full of shit and absolutely wrong. I could, absolutely. My plan is for March 2025. Moving on to some Ethereum action. What is Ethereum doing right now? Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you from the last live stream. On Ethereum, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. The shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Bam. That's your Fibonacci retracement levels right there. Big shout out to Danger Dane. How you doing, Danger Dane? What's up, my man? It's all good or good. Y'all have 500 XRP? Bro, I told you, my goal is to personally hold 100,000 XRP. Let's get to 100,000 first. Then we can talk about 500,000. And then we can talk about 1 million. Okay. Let's make it happen, cap into 100K first. Okay. Let's just get there first. But yeah, 500,000 XRP, bro. That's my dream right there. That is absolutely my dream. All right, guys. This is my target price for some Ethereum action. Where do you want to start stacking up on your Ethereum? The 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful to see. So my target price for Ethereum is 1,577. That's where my limit buy order is for some Ethereum action. So if it dumps to 1,577, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to stack up on some Ethereum. Okay. Now we're going to do the exact same thing the other way around, just in case it doesn't find support within the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. You're going to want to do the Fibonacci levels in reverse. We have a high, we have a low, we have a retracement. So then you have your next leg down, which is this one right here. First one is at 1,577. The next one is at 1,521. I know what you're thinking. It's just $50, Diego. You're not going to get... It's not that much of a difference. It's not. It really is not that much of a difference. So completely up to you. Whatever you want to do. Does those $50 matter to you? I don't know. I don't know. Do what you got to do, bro. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the way down, just in case that one doesn't find support on the way down. And then we have the final two levels that we are going to start stacking up on our Ethereum. We got 1,350 and 1,276. Those guys are my 4 limit buy orders on Ethereum. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to trade it out exactly the same way. Completely up to you. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying that this is how I am going to be trading my Ethereum on the way down. Okay, trying to catch that bottom. You know how it is. Danger Jane over on the TikTok saying, just poking the bear. Then you know what to do, bro. You know exactly what to do. But we're going to get there, man. Don't worry about it, Danger Dan. You're in the right place. We're going to get to 500,000 XRP one day. I don't know when the hell that's going to be. I mean, for me, my first target for XRP was to hold 10,000 XRP. And it took me a long fucking time to get 10,000 XRP. Okay. Right now, on this account alone, on the one that I'm trading with you guys over on the channel, let me see how much XRP I'm holding. I'll give you guys, I don't care. I don't give a fuck. My account on XRP, I'm holding about 32,000 XRP. Okay. So I'm about a third way there. You know, I'm about a third way there. Why not? We can get to 100K. Of course we can get to 100K. Come on, let's go. Uber guy over on the TikTok saying, I have 1,000 XRP. I want 10,000 XDC. Let's talk about some XDC. Why don't we talk about some XDC? Let me see. XDC mainnet. Ooh, this was from previous live streams. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse you. All right, so for XDC on the daily chart, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a retracement of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. This shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. And those are your Fibonacci levels. Now, you could have stacked up on some XDC right here. Okay. No reason not to. So you could technically place a limit buy order at this price range over here. I think that there might be some pull to the downside. Okay. A little bit of a pull to the downside. My entry price of some XDC action is right here. Always the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay, always the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. That my first entry price for XDC is 0.04838. Oops, I wrote this wrong. 0.04838. Okay, so I'm gonna place a limit buy order for 4 cents, 4838. Okay, 4838. Does that mean that we're going to get to 4 cents? In no way, shape, or form am I saying that it's going to get to 4 cents, okay? But if it does, since I don't hold any XDC whatsoever, I'm going to stack up on my bags at that price range right there. Okay? That price range right there. Okay? My next leg down, just in case it doesn't hold in the 618, doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to hold in the 618. We do the Fibonacci in reverse. Okay? We have a high, we have a low, and we have a reversal on the low. Okay? That means that my next target prices on the way down, just in case it doesn't hold on the 618, are these two price ranges down here. So I'm going to place it here so you guys can see 0.03917 and 0.03367. Okay. That, guys, is my entry prices to getting in on some XDC. Okay. Do whatever you want with this information, completely up to you. Not saying that you should buy at those ranges. This is not financial advice in no way, shape, or form. This is just how I am going to be buying my XDC, and this is how I use my Fibonacci levels to figure out some entry prices. This could reverse from here and keep going to the upside. Okay? It can happen. It can happen. So completely up to you. Do you believe in the project? Do you know what they're doing? Do you believe that they're going to keep going for the upside? Completely up to you. I'm going to start stacking up on my XDC at 4 cents and 3 cents. And those are my price ranges, okay? Big shout out to the Lions Den over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, my man. I think we're going to 19K BTC, brother. You think so, bro? You think so? Did I give you guys... I didn't give you the target prices on Bitcoin. My bad. I didn't give you my target prices. Bro. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. You know better than this. First limit buy order on Bitcoin is right here. Second order on some Bitcoin is right here. And third is right here. This is my second buy and my third buy. Boom. My entry price on Bitcoin is actually one as of right now. One as of right now is a 618 entry price on Bitcoin, 25,684. Okay. And we're trading a little bit below it. Okay. So now is a stackable buy zone on Bitcoin. Okay. We might get a bouncy bounce as of right now. Okay. We might get a bouncy bounce right here. And if we get a bouncy bounce here, guess what XDC is going to do? Guess what XRP is going to do? Litecoin, Ethereum. Guess what all those coins are going to do? Bounce to the upside. Okay. Do with that information as you may. My entry price for Bitcoin, 25,684, which is actually right now. My second entry price is 22,306. And third is 21,172. So there you have my 3 limit buy orders on the way down if Bitcoin decides to take an absolute shit on everybody. Okay? My fourth and final entry price on Bitcoin is the support line, which is 19,533. So those are my 4 limit buy orders on Bitcoin action. Okay, take a screenshot of that if you guys want to trade it exactly the way that I am, but completely up to you. Not telling you or assuring you in any way, shape, or form that we're going to go down on Bitcoin. But if we are, those are the price ranges that I'm going to start stacking up on some Bitcoin. Okay, completely up to you. Uber guy over on the TikTok saying, thank you for your info, bro. You know how it is. Well, yeah, thank you for stopping by, bro. Thank you. Big shout out. I appreciate you giving me your time. Turkey88 over on the TikTok saying, did you say XDC will drop? Not that it will drop, but if it does, I'm buying more XDC. You do whatever you want to do with that, bro. Whoa, I'm gonna murder your name. R1V100 iMob over on the TikTok. I'm sorry if I pronounced that one wrong. Mob over on the TikTok saying, what is it for? Spot or trading it? Well, completely, however you want to do it. Are you a hodler or are you an active trader? It works the exact same way. What I'm trying to do with the Fibonacci levels is figure out what the bouncy bounce actions are going to be. Okay. For me, is a buy XDC, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, put it in my cold storage device and forgetting the hell out of it. Okay. It's not a tradable zone right now. It's a no trade zone right now. Until we get some market clarity of where the hell the market is going to go using momentum, it's a no trade zone. Okay. It's a no trade zone as of right now. Lions Den over on the TikTok saying, did you do XRP? No, brother, I'm going to do XRP right now. Let's go to my beautiful baby girl XRP and let's figure out what the hell XRP is doing right now. XRP doesn't give a fuck about what the market is doing. So let's figure out my Fibonacci levels. Let's see what we are going to do right here. Okay, so let's do it. We have a low. Come on, select it, bro. We have a low. We have a high, and we have a reversal on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Bam. So that means that my first limit buy order on some XRP action is at 47 cents. 0.47293. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. I'm going to show you my entry prices. Here we go. On BitGet, these are my entry prices to start stacking up on some more XRP. Okay, there are limit buy orders, meaning that they are set, ready to go. I don't have to open the trades myself. Okay, the machine will do it for me. I can go to sleep. I can go enjoy my life. It doesn't matter because it is going to buy on the way down, dollar cost averaging on the way down for some XRP action. And these are my entry prices, 46, 41, 31, and 25. In no way, shape, or form does that tell you that those prices are going to be met. I have zero hope that I'm going to be able to buy XRP at those price ranges. But if they do, I'm in it. I'm in. Okay, I'm in. Uber guy over on the TikTok saying, how do you learn those charts and what are they called? What do you mean, brother, by those charts? You mean technical analysis? I mean, these charts are just patterns of behavior. Okay, what does that mean? These are people buying versus people selling. Every green every green candle means that there were more people buying than selling. Every red candle means that more people are selling than they are buying. So it's a constant war between green and red. Okay, green and red. It's like a war zone of the red army versus the green army. Okay, each and every one of these candles is 1 day long. Okay, because I'm in the daily chart. Okay, this is a daily chart for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin's behavior. Okay. This is Bitcoin's behavior of the red army versus the green army. Okay. Every time people buy, every time people sell. Constantly. Every day. All day. 24 hours a day. What I try to do with this information is use historical data. I look at the past. I zoom out. Okay. I zoom out. And I try to figure out, using historical data, predict what the price is going to do in the future. See, human beings, they're irrational. Okay, we are irrational. We don't behave the exact same way every single day. But if you zoom out and you look at the macroeconomics of human behavior, they are patterns that play out consistently. Those are the patterns that I took when I was learning how to do finance long time ago, and I applied it to Bitcoin. And they play out the exact same way. Okay, just like stocks, just like Forex, just like commodities, whatever it is that you're trading. All that knowledge can be applied to Bitcoin and every other crypto out there. You just have to learn how to read these charts, figure out what those patterns are, use those patterns, know when to go in, know when to get out, know when to place a long versus a short, and enjoy your profits on the way up. Okay. You're here. Everybody's here trying to learn how to do my technical analysis. I try to dumb it down as much as possible, okay? Because this shit can be complicated however how you want to make it complicated. But it can also be very, very simple. Just follow very simple rules, okay? That's why you're here. So stick around. And you're going to learn what those rules are. You're going to be able to look at these charts and be like beautiful minding. Oh, this fucker's going to go up. Oh, this fucker's going to go down. And make decisions based on math and algorithms, not human emotions. So with that said, my entry prices for XRP are right here. See how in the charts you can sort of see that the machine has already placed a long on all those price ranges. It does it automatically. That's the beauty of having a platform that does that for you. Okay. That way, if it surprises you and it goes down to 25 cents and you weren't there looking at the screen, you're going to miss the opportunity? No, hell no. You're going to buy automatically. Okay, you set a limit buy order. And these are my price ranges, okay, guys? So this is my XRP price ranges on the way down if it actually breaks to the downside. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter because guess what? I still hold XRP. Okay, so if it goes up from here, I make money either way. Okay. Dean X over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Dean. You're talking about some X-Force. What the hell is X-Force? You want to look at some X-Force? Yeah, we can do some X-Force. Stick around, brother. We're going to talk about some X-Force later down the line. Let's talk about some DOT. D-O-T. Let me see. Can I trade DOT on KuCoin? No, I cannot do it on KuCoin, but I can do it on BigGets. Can DOT give me some? There we go. All right. So let's look at some DOT action. DOT on the way down, like every other coin. Absolutely beautiful to see some downwards action on some DOT action. DOT behaving pretty much exactly like Bitcoin was behaving. Look at this. It's just a mirror image of Bitcoin. So it's probably going to do the exact same thing as Bitcoin. It's tied to Bitcoin just like every other coin out there. So let's zoom into the daily chart on the last two candles. We got some downwards action. Momentum is to the downside still. We got that signal, that bearish signal over here. Prices went down. That's beautiful to see for anybody trading these signals. We got the cross of the RSI. We got the cross of the MACD. So pretty much everything just to the downside. And in no way, shape, or form do I see any reversals coming anytime soon. Okay. So for DOT, let's figure out some entry prices. More momentum to the downside. We're going to do our reverse Fibonacci levels, and let's see what the target prices are to get in. All right, there we go. We got that one. We got this one. And we got this one. There. All right. So my entry prices, actually, I only have one. I'm going to do one. Okay. One entry price for DOT is $3.77. That is my target price to start stacking up on some DOT. Okay. If it meets at $3.77, I buy it automatically and I forget about it for the next bull cycle. We'll come back to this coin next year. Actually, no, not next year, 2025. Okay. After the halving, after the president, we're going to come back to this coin and let's figure out what the hell that coin is going to be doing. My entry price is $3.77. Let me get some water, guys. Give me 1 second here. We're going to look at some XLM. Give me a second. Let me get some water. Uber guy over on the TikTok saying, I know a little bit about the candles, crypto bubbles. Big shout out to Uber Guy over on the TikTok. Thank you for that football, for the TikTok stickers, and the hat and the mustache. Thank you so much, brother. Big shout out to you, Uber Guy. Thank you so much. I highly appreciate you, brother. All right, let's look at some XLM. XLM, let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. This was from previous live streams. So XLM if XRP is dumping, XLM is probably going to do the exact same thing. So looking on some XLM action, let's figure out my Fibonacci levels. Let's see. What do we got here over on XLM? So we have a high. We have a low. We have a reversal of the low. And we have a breakout back down to the downside. So we have a reverse shark fin formation happening over on XLM. That's beautiful to see because it just gives me more price ranges to getting in on some XLM. My price range to getting in on XLM is right here. So I'm going to start stacking up on my XLM at 0.0935569. That is my target price for XLM. Do whatever you want with that information. Completely up to you. Not financial advice. Not saying that XLM is going to go to 9 cents. But I've always been adamant. Very adamant saying that if you can catch XLM below 10 cents, that's a stackable, buyable coin right there, brother. XLM less than 10 cents, you buy the shit out of XLM. Okay, you buy the shit out of XLM at less than 10 cents. Write that down somewhere. You can look at it. Put it in a sticky note. Buy XLM below 10 cents. Okay? It's a major deal if it's below 10 cents. So my target price for XLM, 93569. Okay? 9 cents. 9 cents. Okay. Okay. All right, let's look at some Dogecoin. You guys wanted to talk about some Dogecoin. Oh, like I said, Doge is just breaking. I don't know why you guys still trade Doge. So Doge, Uber guy over on the TikTok saying less than 10 cents is a deal. Absolutely, brother. A major deal if you can get XLM below 10 cents. Absolutely. No questions asked. No hesitation whatsoever. So Dogecoin having a double bottom formation. That's beautiful to see because double bottoms are super hella bullish. That's a signal that prices might have a little bit of a reversal to the upside. And it played out exactly. It bounced exactly at my target price. So I really hope that you guys took advantage of that when I was talking about it a few days ago. 24 over on the TikTok saying, can you talk about NXRA, amigo? We can talk about some NXRA. NXRA. Yeah, we can talk about some NXRA. I've never heard about that coin. Let me do a little bit of research on NXRA. Let me see what the hell they're doing. NXRA. Alliance Block. Alliance Block is trading at 5 cents right now. We're talking about a 24-hour volume of $200,000. Brother, you know what you can do with that? Do you have any idea what you could do with that? With $200,000, you can place a long on KuCoin and then buy $200,000 worth of this coin and drive the price of this coin to the upside, win, and then sell at the top, close your long trade, and you can essentially triple, quadruple, 100 times X your money with just $200,000. Not financial advice, not saying that you should do that. That is absolutely not illegal in crypto. But it's a way of manipulating the prices, and that happens every day, all day, in all cryptos. $224,000, that is nothing. Market cap of 37 million, that is nothing. Man, I'm curious about what the hell does this coin even do. Let me see. It's a cryptocurrency token and operates on the Ethereum platform. Alliance Block Nexera has a current supply of 800 million with 0 in circulation. The last known price of Alliance Block Nexera is 8 cents, down 3. It's down a whole lot more than that. It's currently trading at 6 active, blah, blah, blah. Let me see. Let me go to the website. Jesus, that is bright. Infrastructure for decentralized tokenized markets. Alliance Block empowers businesses to tokenize assets and compliantly issue, manage, and trade in the inclusive financial ecosystem. That's a mouthful. It's just one more coin, brother. It is just one more coin. Yeah, they got a DAO. It's a DeFi coin. Okay, it's a DeFi coin. Okay, one more for the bunch. One more for the bunch. Let me see what we got. NXRA. Alliance Block Nexera. So we have a low. We have a high. We have a reversal of the high. We have a shark fin formation. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And there we go. It broke the 618 to the downside. With that said, you do the reverse Fibonacci levels and then figure out what are your next target prices on the way down. So on the way down for Nexera is here and here. These are my two entry prices to getting in on some Nexera action. Talking about 4 cents, 0.045813. I'm going to give you just one of them. I'm just going to give you one. So for Nexera, 45813. That is my entry price to start stacking up on some Nexera. Okay. So pretty much there. That's my target price. 4 cents. Okay. 4 cents. Uber guy over on the TikTok saying, is Pepe the Frog dead or is there any more potential? I've never been much to invest in these shit coins. There's a lot of money to be made in those, but if you don't catch it at the bottom and then drive the sucker up before anybody else does, then you're not going to win. But hey, sometimes these things just play out, you know? They just play out. I believe that Pepe coin, just like Doge and Chiba and every one of those other shit coins, it's I don't know. I don't play around with my money like that. But hey, $100 is $100. What do you have to lose with $100? $100. So just don't bet all your bank in one single coin, you know? Let's look at some Pepe coin. Pepe coin! Oh, okay. We talked about Pepe. We talked about some Pepe action. And look at here. So on Pepe coin, my exact target price right here at 783 found the bouncy bounce action right there. You see it? So can we hold that zone right there at 783? If not, then we got the second trade right here at 703. It is a bottom coin. Okay. It's a BBC coin, bottom coin, meaning that it's at the bottom of no support whatsoever. So if you're going to stack up on a coin, it should be at the bottom. This is the bottom. Okay? So if your guys are going to play with your money on Pepe coin, now it's the time to do so. Okay? It could go lower. It could go higher. Do whatever you want with that Uber guy. Do what you got to do. Buy some Pepe coin if you want. It's at the best support you could ever get it at. Okay? But that doesn't mean that it can bounce from here. It can break to the downside. This is their target price, 703, okay? 703. Let me look at some Dixie. What the hell is the US dollar doing? So the US dollar, the US dollar has a low, has a high, has a reversal of the high. So where do I think the bouncy bounce is going to be? It's going to be at 101. So maybe at 101, we're going to have probably some price action to the downside on some Bitcoin because we have a reversal. We have an inverse relationship with the US dollar. Whenever one goes up, the other one goes down. Okay, so always remember that when you do your trades. Is the dollar looking good? Then that means that Bitcoin is going to look bad. If Bitcoin looks good, that means that the dollar looks bad. Right now, the US dollar looks good. For some reason, I don't know why. So maybe we'll have some price ranges happening on some Bitcoin to the downside. You all know my target prices. Let's see if we could actually make it happen, Captain. Let's go. 25K. Let's go. 22K, 21K, 19K. Those are my buying for Bitcoins. And that, guys, is the markets. Okay, guys, so on today's class, the actual class, I just wanted to take a few minutes because I want to show you a very nice little trick that you can use for your trading, okay? Just one more tool that you can use for your trading wise. I'm going to talk about risk management, okay? It's a boring topic, I know, but it has to be said. It has to be talked about because a lot of people lose a lot of money in crypto if they don't know how to manage their money, okay? Especially the risk. There is a tool that you can use when you do your trades, and that is called a stop loss. Sometimes when we do our technical analysis, we can do it 100% correct. Like, we can be geniuses at looking at a chart, and it all plays out, and it's looking exactly how it's supposed to. All the rules are met. You play it exactly well. and it doesn't go your way. Okay? It can happen so many fucking times. My win rate is 70%. So that means that there is a 30% chance that I'm going to lose a trade. Keeping that in mind, there is a tool that you can use when you do your trades just in case it doesn't go your way. And you should be placing it each and every time you do a trade. Okay? That's called a stop loss. I'm going to show you today how to place a stop loss. Okay? It's very simple to do and very simple to identify too. Okay? Let's zoom in. We're in the 10-minute chart on Bitcoin right now. This is the 10-minute chart, okay? In the 10-minute, let's say, for example, we're doing a trade right now. I'm just going to give it for shits and giggles. And you're looking at the charts. You're looking at the charts. You're waiting for the charts. And you see over here, you see a bear signal. Okay? Let's say that you saw a bear signal. You're using my indicators and you see a bear signal. You see the cross to the downside on the RSI, so it's a valid bear signal. And there is a cross of the blue to the MACD to the downside. That's another bear signal. So everything is playing out. Everything is telling you, oh, it's going to go to the downside. Okay? So what do you do with that information? You place a short. Okay? You're going to place a short. Right there on that signal. You placed a short. You placed a short. Okay? Now, the second thing you need to do immediately after you place a short is that you need to place a stop loss. How do you identify where to put the stop loss? Now, traditionally, books, finance books that you can buy from Amazon, all the big gurus out there tell you, you need to place your stop loss at the previous swing high if you're using a stop loss to the downside. The previous swing high just means the highest point right before you went in on your stop loss. So I went in on a short right here. What's the previous swing high? This point right here. So that is the highest point before your short. That is called the previous swing high. So you're going to place your stop loss at that exact same moment right there. Okay? So I place my stop loss right there. Okay? That's what traditional books say that you should be doing. Okay? I believe that there is one more thing that you can do to make it even better. Okay? Oh, and after you put your stop loss, then you need to put your take profit. Okay? So it's always a war between stop losses and take profits. You need to take your profits when you're on the green. You just cannot leave a trade open just because of shits and giggles and you have a gut feeling. No. Gut feelings are wrong most of the times. Okay? So you place a take profit, which is the green zone down here. And you make sure that this right here in the middle that says risk reward ratio is at 1 to 1.5. There we go. You drag your take profit where it says risk reward ratio up to 1.5. That is called smart trading. Okay? This is what smart traders do. They take their profits on the way up, on the green, and they place a stop loss just in case it doesn't go their way with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Meaning that for every dollar that you put in, you're risking 1 to 1.5, 50 cents. Okay. Or you're going to either make $1.50 or you're going to lose $1. But with a stop loss, it's a 1 to 1.5. Okay. Now that's what traditional books say. I'm going to show you a tool, or let's actually do one with a losing trade. Let's say, for example, over here, we got a bullish signal, okay? We got a big shout out to Big D over on the TikTok. Thank you for that like. Thank you, brother. How you doing, my man? It's all good. You know how it is. So, we have a bullish signal over here, right? We have a bullish signal. We have a cross of the RSI to the upside, right? And the MACD is trading above the yellow line. Everything told you, hey, this sucker's going to go up. This sucker's going to go up. So what do you do with that information? You place a long. Now, you went in here and you placed a long. Okay. So you placed a long. What do you have to do immediately after you place a long? You got to put your stop loss. Where is the stop loss going to be? At the previous swing low. Where is that previous swing low? The lowest point before that signal, right here. Okay. So you place your stop loss right there. Okay. You place your stop loss right there. And then you place your take profit where the risk reward ratio says 1 to 1.5. There we go. See, risk reward ratio 1 to 1.5. So that's your trade, correct? You went in there and you let the trade do its thing. What happened? What happened? It hit your stop loss right here. It didn't go your way. It didn't go your way. See? This is what I mean when I tell you that your indicators are not going to give you a 100% win rate every single time you go in on a trade. No. You're going to lose a trade sooner or later. It's the nature of the beast, okay? It's like playing blackjack. You're going to lose a hand sooner or later, even if you count cards. Counting cards does not exclude you from losing a hand. No, if you've ever played blackjack and you count cards, you know that you're going to lose a hand sooner or later. Same thing with trading. Trading, I have all the indicators. They all tell me the exact same thing. I'm following all the rules, Diego. I've memorized all the patterns and I know what to do. And it still doesn't go my way. That's why you need to learn how to put a stop loss. Okay? So become really, really, really efficient at placing stop losses when you're beginning to do your trades. Okay? Especially if you're a beginner. So it hit your stop loss, but I'd rather it hit my stop loss and I lose a little bit of my trade than to lose my entire trade. Okay? That's what the importance of a stop loss is. You place a stop loss, so you only lose, it says it right here. I went in on my trade and I'm only going to lose 0.6% of my trade. That's nothing. I'd rather lose 0.6% of my trade than 100% of my trade. Okay? So become efficient at doing your stop losses. Brutal Crypto over on the Twitch channel saying, it's like marriage. You're never always going to make her happy. Absolutely. You can read every goddamn book about marriage. You can cook for her. You can keep the house clean. You can do the dishes. You can iron the clothes. You can wash the clothes. You can wash the floor. You can never, ever make your wife 100% happy. It'll help. It'll sure as hell help. Okay? But you're not going to make your wife happy every goddamn day, all moments at it. No. Same with crypto. You can read all the books. You can do everything right. You're going to lose a trade, and you got to get really comfortable at losing trades. Okay? If that is something that you just cannot handle, then you're not in the right place. Okay? You're going to lose a trade. You're going to lose your trade. I'll show you right now. Look at this. Let me show you my trades. So I have a copy trading group over on BitGet. And you can see all of my trades, how I've made everything over here. You can see my trading profile. I have an ROI of about 42% from my last trade. My max drawdown, the most I've ever lost on a trade is 1.33. Which is nothing. My win rate is 70%. That means that out of 10 trades, I win 7 of them. And I lose 3 of them. You're going to lose a trade sooner or later. And these is the history of all of my trades that I've done so far. I don't know if you guys over on the TikTok can see that. Let me see. There we go. Much better. Okay. So you see here, 200%, 248, 217, 300%, 190, 7, 103, 40, losing 22%, losing 78%. But guess what? All these trades ate those 2 bad trades and up completely. 300% versus 78%. The point is that you need to win more than you're losing, right? Your wins are going to cover your losses. That's the important part, okay? That's why you take your profits and you put your stop losses just in case. My stop loss over here for this trade was 70-something% and it closed. But this one over here, my take profit was 300% and I got it, okay? Point is, I just want to show you guys, you're going to lose trades. It's the nature of the beast. It's going to happen, okay? Don't feel bad if you lose a trade. It's going to happen. Okay? Okay, guys. So, how do you do this from your trading platform? So, let's go back to BitGet. Okay, let's make a trade. On your trading account, whatever it is that you're using, I use BitGet, but you can use whatever they have. They pretty much do the exact same thing. Whenever you go over here, let me move this over for TikTok. So for TikTok, guys, I hope you can see this. Over here on the right side, there's two buttons that say buy long and sell short, correct? Buy long, sell short. On top of where it says buy long, there is a long it says long TPSL. TP stands for take profit. SL stands for stop loss. You click on that and it's going to automatically feed you to placing a stop loss price and a take profit price. Where do you get those prices? When you do your analysis over here. This is my take profit. This is my stop loss. I tend to take a little horizontal line, so it gives me the exact same price on the right side. Okay. And I take those prices and I just write them down right here. Something like that, just for shits and giggles. Okay. And then I hit the buy long or the sell short, whichever it is that you're in. Are you in a long or you're in a short? It behaves the exact same way. If I'm going to go in a long, I click the green button. I've already set my stop loss. I've already set my take profit, and it'll automatically feed the system with that information for you. Okay. And you have to do that for every single trade while you're learning how to do your trades. This is just for beginners, okay? But even professionals place stop losses and take profits, okay? I still place stop losses and take profits, okay? Not all the time, not every single trade that I do, because I babysit the trades. I tend to babysit the trades. I'm here 24 hours a day. I don't do anything else with my life. I don't have a life. I don't have a social life. I don't even game anymore. I'm 100% of my time is either here streaming with you guys or doing a goddamn trade. Okay? But you don't have to. You can place the trades automatically so you can walk away and let the trade do its thing. If you do not want to play stop losses, Ray Paris over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Ray. Big shout out to you, Ray. Thank you for that subscribe. If you do not want to play stop losses, you do not want to do take profits, you don't want to do a damn thing I just told you today, you're like, fuck you, Crypto Sensei, I'm not going to do none of that, then at least consider only trading with 2% of your portfolio per trade. Okay, that way you can only lose 2% of your portfolio per trade. If you don't want to do stop losses because you don't like stop losses, hey, that's a way of thinking. Okay, I don't play stop losses all the time, but I make sure that I trade with 2% of my portfolio every single time I don't place a stop loss. Okay, that way, if it doesn't go my way, then I only lose 2% of my portfolio per every single time I trade. Okay, so just consider learning how to do a stop loss, consider how to do a take profit, and make sure that you place them correctly every single time. Okay, now, like I said before, this style of placing stop losses and take profits is the old school of thinking. I'm going to give you guys one indicator, okay, one indicator called ATR bands. It's by this guy right here, the third floor. Click on that and turn it on. Now look at the screen over here. Wait, let me move this out of for my peeps over on TikTok. Now you see over here on the screen, you see these two ranges over here. Let me get rid of this. This red line and this green line on top. Those are ATR bands. What is an ATR band? An ATR is going to take into consideration the majority of the volume that is being traded within that time frame. Okay? You're not going to place your stop losses at the exact swing low or high, depending on how you're trading. Because most of the times, let me tell you right now, that it reaches your stop loss and it bounces from there. Oh, it has happened so many times. Let me tell you right now. It reaches your stop loss and it bounces from there. You're like, fuck, it closed my trade. I lost my trade just because it hit the stop loss. But you placed the stop loss at the previous swing low. No. We're not going to do it like that anymore, okay? We're going to place it at the ATR band. For example, the exact same trade we were looking at before. This one right here. Okay? This was a losing trade. It hit my stop loss. This was the previous swing low. It hit my stop loss right here. I would have lost my trade, but guess what happened right now? Look at this. It's happening right now. It's bouncing exactly from there. You lost your trade automatically. No. We're going to place our stop loss at the previous swing low ATR band, which is this right here. See the difference between here and here? It is much, much lower. Okay? That's where we're going to place our stop loss, okay? Big shout out to Common Courtesy over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, my man. How you doing, my man? It's all good. You know how it is. So we're going to place our stop loss at the previous swing low ATR band. So let's do a short. I did a short. Sorry, I'm going to do a long. Right here, where I got the signal, I'm going to place my stop loss at the previous swing low ATR band, which is here. Okay, here. And my take profit, the exact same thing. 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. There we go. And that's my trade. That's how you trade. That's how you put a stop loss. That's how you put a take profit. It gives you the target prices right here. So this is my take profit. This is my stop loss. You take that information and you plug it in to your trading software, whatever platform you're using. And now I'm going to leave this trade open. Okay. I'm going to leave this trade open and I'm going to see if by tomorrow, for tomorrow's live stream, it actually either plays out and I take my profits or it hit my stop loss. Okay. Let's see how it actually plays out. This is a 10-minute chart. I don't know if it's actually going to play out. This is just for shits and giggles, and I didn't do any technical analysis whatsoever. This is just showing you how to do your take profit and your stop losses. Most likely, this fucker is going to hit my stop loss, and I'm going to lose this trade. We move on forward. We move forward on that one because I only risked 2% of my portfolio. Right now, this trade is only going to lose me 1.21% of my portfolio. Okay? Only 1% of my portfolio I'm risking on this trade. Okay? So let's see. Let's see if it actually plays out. Okay, guys? And that, guys, is how you place the correct trade with a stop loss and a take profit. With a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Okay? Basics, guys. This is basic. Basic trading 101. Okay? All right, guys. Well, that's all the time I got for you today. I am starving and I need something to eat. I'm starving right now. I don't know what to... maybe some sushi. I don't know. I don't know what to eat today, guys. I'm thinking Chinese food. I'm super hungry. Maybe some costillas deshuesadas with some tostones. Take away at least 2 years of my life. All right, guys. Well, thank you for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. Remember, guys, that all of my streams are being recorded into my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to check out whatever the hell I talked about today, you can rewatch it as many times as you want over in my YouTube channel. So go ahead and head on over there. If you guys want to look at what the hell I was talking about today, you can rewatch it many times, practice it over and over again. Repetition is the mother of skill. You know what to do, guys. So thank you for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. Hope you did too. We'll see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe from all of my streaming platforms. And I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Take care, guys. Have a good one. God bless, and have a good one.